what we're going to do is make fattoush, which is a bread salad. It's similar to panzanella. It's the bread salad eaten in the Arab world, in the Middle East, all over the place. The idea is the same. We take our leftover stale pita, right? Or even stale crackers.
Everything.
So listen, stale bread like pita, we're going to do za'atar and olive oil. We're going to dress it nicely. It's going into this oven as well. All right? While that's happening, now it's winter basically here in Eastern Pennsylvania, right? It's cold out. We don't have access to things like tomatoes all year round. So we actually have some amazing butternut squash, right? That we've shaved.
Gorgeous.
The thing about Pennsylvania cooking, you got to cook cabbage, you got to cook squash very, very well. We're going to go a little bit of vinegar, okay? Some shallots, some cucumber, and we're just going to mix this up. Now we've got an additional roasted squash that we're just going to throw in there too. Again, this is leftover. This is last night you roasted some butternut squash.
So gorgeous.
We're going to mix it up really, really, really nicely. We've got a little bit of salt with sumac spice on here, which is nice and sour. It's so good. All right, so we got some radicchio in here as well. You can use red cabbage if you want. You can use green cabbage if you want. If you got parsley or basil growing, use a ton of that. And if you have leftover like romaine hearts, throw them in there, okay? We're just going to dress it really, really
love
nicely.
how easy you're making this with so many swap outs.
It's got to be.
Whatever you got.
It's got to be. It's got to be easy,
gonna
okay?
Be bright and easy. Bright and easy.
Bright and easy is the name of the game. And I want everybody at home really to think about what it is that they have. What is it that you're overlooking? What's in the bottom of your fridge that you're just like, do I throw it out? Do I not serve it? It doesn't fit my need at this moment. Let's get creative. We've got a few minutes later, take a look at this. We've got our pita that is amazing. Now this has got the za'atar and this has got the olive oil.
Listen to it in the pan. Just listen to it in the pan. It's ready
crackling.
To go.
And this is a dip for hummus. This is a dip for labneh. This is cheese and crackers. And this could have just been waste. So this makes a really good, this is the crouton, obviously, for our salad. Let's mix it up really, really nicely. Looking good. And what's nice is because it's dry like this, not just from being a little bit stale, but from also roasting in the oven, it's going to absorb all these fantastic flavors and it's not going to get too soggy. Okay. It's going to do its job. So good job, pita ends. I'm glad that we saved it.